Hello and welcome to our video. Today we're sharing 10 simple habits that can instantly and effectively enhance your life. These habits will help you improve both your personal development and overall quality of life. If you want to feel happier, more productive, and more successful, you're in the right place. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can create significant changes. Let's dive into these habits that will quickly improve your life. 1. Start your day with a plan. Starting your day with a short plan can make your day more productive. In the morning, write down your tasks and goals for the day in a list. This list helps you stay focused and prioritize your activities throughout the day. Planning not only directs the course of your day, but also motivates you psychologically. Achieving your goals step by step increases your sense of accomplishment and makes you feel more organized. 2. Create a daily exercise routine. Physical activity supports both your body and mind. A short walk each day or simple exercises at home can boost your energy and reduce stress levels. The endorphins released during exercise help you feel happier and more motivated. Additionally, regular exercise improves your overall health and enhances the quality of your sleep. 3. Adopt healthy eating habits. What you eat has a direct impact on your general health and energy levels. Maintaining a balanced and healthy diet enhances both your physical and mental performance. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains and protein sources in your daily diet. Avoid junk food and high sugar items to feel better in the long term. 4. Practice meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness practices are effective tools for managing stress. Spending a few minutes each day meditating can help calm your mind. These practices are excellent for maintaining mental balance and managing stress. Meditation also improves your focus and concentration abilities. 5. Read personal development books. Reading personal development books broadens your knowledge and perspective. You gain valuable insights to discover your potential and improve your life. Aim to read a book each month and try to integrate what you learn into your life. Books provide new ideas and strategies, contributing to your personal growth. 6. Learn time management techniques. Managing your time effectively boosts your productivity and helps you avoid stress. Try time management methods like the Pomodoro technique, which allows you to work uninterrupted for a set period and then take a short break. Additionally, analyze how you spend your time to identify and improve inefficient habits. 7. Value social connections. Building healthy social relationships greatly impacts your overall happiness. Regularly communicate with family and friends and spend time with your social circle for support and motivation. Social connections enhance your ability to cope with stress and make you feel more connected. 8. Set personal goals. Setting and focusing on personal goals is crucial for achieving success. Define both short-term and long-term goals and create a plan to achieve them. Write down your goals and regularly review your progress. This process keeps your motivation high and helps you track your advancements. 9. Develop a positive thinking habit. Positive thinking enhances your ability to handle challenges in life. By avoiding negative thoughts, you can feel better and more motivated. Approaching yourself and your surroundings with a positive mindset improves your mental health and overall quality of life. 10. Seek feedback and be open to growth. Receiving feedback is an essential part of personal and professional development. Consider others' opinions to recognize your strengths and areas for improvement. Evaluate constructive feedback and use it in your growth process. Feedback is one of the keys to continuous learning and self-improvement. In conclusion, these 10 simple habits offer powerful tools to quickly improve your life. If you want to develop yourself and live a more fulfilling life, incorporate these habits into your daily routine. By making small yet impactful changes, you can create significant transformations in your life. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave your comments below. Stay tuned for more personal development and life improvement tips.